Hello problem solver. In this video on School Online, we will learn how to create bootable USB flash drive or live USB. I will be showing open source portable application for Microsoft Windows and very easy to use. First, we will download the Rufus application by going to this link. Second, we will download the OS ISO file for which we will be making a live disk. I will be choosing Ubuntu live disk and I will be downloading this using this link. I have already downloaded both, so won't do it again. All the links I have mentioned in the description. Now insert your USB disk and open Rufus application. Your USB disk will be formatted, so make sure you back up your data. After opening the Rufus, you will see this one device found, and this is my USB removable device. I will select my ISO file from here. I have this file here on this location. I will select that location. So let me click on select and open this location. So it is already there, right? Click on open. So this ISO file has been selected and I will use this MBR as the default partition. Don't change the partition scheme. Use the default one. Don't change the target system. Use the default one. And use the default options whatever applicable and click on start. So this will write the ISO image mode. Select this recommended option, click on OK, and it will be showing the warning that all data on this device will be formatted. Click on OK. So this will delete our data and create a live bootable USB disk. This will take some time. Cool. Now our USB disk is ready to use. Insert this USB disk into the system which you want to repair and start using the live Ubuntu OS. If you find my video helpful or any feedback, please comment, like, share and subscribe to School.Online channel to get more useful DIY stuffs. Thank you.